Hi there, my name is Lauren, and today I'm going to walk you through how to deliver personalized reports directly to your client or your client's customer's inbox. So, if you are a consultant in HR delivering employee satisfaction surveys, if you're a consultant in marketing for lead generation or benchmarking reports, or a strategy consultant looking to deliver tailored feedback, this will take the manual work out of polishing those reports and creating a consistent deliverable for all of your clients. We do this using only Google Workspace tools, taking a form and tying in your feedback and recommendations within a template and delivering a report directly to the inbox after completing a survey. So let's take a look at an example that we've created. This only has one question. If you are building out a full workflow, this would have multiple questions to showcase you as the expert and give you the insight you need to provide the feedback you're looking to. So if we're looking at communication channels and I select Slack and submit this, it only takes a brief moment for it to take the response from the respondent and then tie that into the feedback that you have outlined and what you would say to someone if they're using Slack. Again, this is an example, so it would be to your use case. And this is almost instantly in the respondent's inbox. So you can see that the email that delivers the report also has this customized and tailored response in there with Slack. And then the report, we used benchmarking data in this example. Whether you have that or not depends on your use case. And then we're showcasing that only 12% of organizations are using Slack. And then this piece here has a recommendation that you set up ahead of time on what you would say to someone who responds using Slack. So as I mentioned, this is in Google Sheets, and you set up a sort of key based on each question in the tip that you would like to provide. And that is how you can really automate this workflow that used to be extremely manual. So if you have any questions or would like to learn more about this process, feel free to reach out to us directly you can use my email, lauren@caliber.io. Thanks so much.